Hello, it's Cheryl. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting unboxing video. This is the package I have been waiting for and it's finally here. I am super excited to open it with you guys. B-Belly, this is a temporary tattoo brand. It's a new brand that just launched. Just look at this box. I even painted my nails just to match the box. When they first reached out to me, they were still in the process of making this box. So they asked me what I think about the box and what I think about the packaging, like the design, just things like that. They keep me updated throughout the process. And from this process, I can tell the brand, the owner, everyone is really putting a lot of effort to finally get this launched. I'm so happy for them, and this is something that I personally really love. I have always wanted a tattoo. I know, ever since high school, ever since I moved to Florida. My best friend and I would always talk about how we wanted a tattoo and maybe a matching one. I always knew that I want one or two, but I don't want something huge. I just want something tiny and small. I still haven't gotten any just because I'm so indecisive. I just can't make up my mind on what design I wanted or where I should put it. I just cannot make up my mind on what to put and where to put it. So from what, 15 and I'm 26 now, it's like 11 years. I still haven't gotten any tattoos, and I will in the future. I will. When they reached out to me and asked me for my opinion, I told them about this and I was like, you know what, this would be perfect if you guys make like tiny tattoos where I can just like put it on my hand, maybe like here, maybe here, or in the back, or just, you know, everywhere, and I can kind of like test out the water and see how it feels like to have tattoos on certain areas and the size of it. I just basically told them what I like and what I want, and guess what? They told me that's exactly what they're doing. Like, they are making the small pieces. I have already seen some of the pieces online and I'm just so excited to open mine. I waited to film this video before opening it. So let's do this together. Okay, before we start, don't forget to subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and follow me on Instagram. Let's open this. By the way, they're based in France. When I was talking to them, I was like, where are you guys at? And he was like, oh, I'm in France. I'm like, wow, I'm so jealous. France is definitely on the top of my list that I want to go to. And this is actually the first time I got a package from France. You ready? Ta-da! Wow, so pretty. Like, I love the colors. This color palette is just so comfortable to look at. Let's see what's in this envelope right here. Be whatever you want to be. Be Belly. I'm gonna be Cheryl though. So many bees. Even the envelope is so cute. Oh, it's upside down. Be whatever you want to be. Dear Cheryl. Application over here is a sponge. Check. I came prepared. I have a bucket of water right here because, you know, I'm lazy. I don't want to have to like go to the bathroom while filming. Okay, we'll let it sit there for a little bit while we read this. Tattoos are designed in Paris, made in USA, France, and Spain. New day, new you, fresh tattoo. That's what I'm talking about. Like, you can change it every day. It's not like it's gonna stay with you forever, you know? You can change the design and change where you put it, like, whenever you want. It's perfect for a photo shoot or for a festival. Like, it's just so fun to play around with. If you have a real tattoo, I know that could be more meaningful, but you know, people change all the time. Like, I've seen like people around me got a tattoo and have to get it removed and stuff like that. It's very painful to remove a tattoo. That's what I heard, at least. Is this tattoo? No, this is just stickers. Cute, 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 cute. Look, you like my nails? Like, I really did this to match with the bee belly. Each of these, it's actually like a little booklet. So over here we have the instructions. Thank you for putting instructions here because I didn't use sponge when I was little. Maybe I've been doing it wrong this whole time. Apply to the area with no body hair. I have hair on my arms, which I never shaved my arm. Okay, I find a spot. This is so pretty. Right now, this line art is super popular. The other day, I was looking on Pinterest because I really want to hang one on the top of my bed. And there's a ton of this line art and I'm loving it. I love the one with the rose. Speaking of the one with the rose, I think they do have one. Flora, I would assume it's in here. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. This is what I'm talking about. The one with the rose. Oh wow. Oh my gosh, I think this is my favorite one. Oh, by the way, this is how long. For each booklet, it has 5 tattoos in it and it has 1, 2, 3, 9, 10. So that's 50 designs right there. I think my favorite one has to be this flower one. I'm not sure what type of flower this is, but they're cute and it shows you like where you can put it. And this is definitely my favorite. I really like this one too. They're all like so cute, and the back, it has the design but just in a bigger photo so you can see. That's the Flora, and this is artsy. I like that it shows you that where you can put it, like just give you some inspirations right there. And same thing, like the back, it will show you the design. Whoever's hand this is, so pretty. Okay, let's see Girls Night Out. Oh, this is my favorite one out of the Girls Night Out, is this champagne right here. Also, the glasses. Okay, I should show you the bigger design right here. This one is so cute. Champagne bottle. Off to Beauty. Oh my gosh, this is the eye that I was doing this, you remember? From the envelope? So cute. Oh, okay. Okay, I didn't even think about that. One on the right hand and one on the left hand. Lipstick. Oh, okay, this has to be one of my favorite. I just love lipsticks. Maybe I should get a real lipstick tattoo. Okay, maybe not. A flower right here too. And can you see the flower? It's like kind of like rose, and over here has a lip. Oh, this is so funny. This is the beauty marks. So I guess you use one dot at a time. It looks like this, and you can just like pick whichever dot and then just like put it on your face. It's very interesting. Oh my gosh, and they have freckles. So this is the freckle, so you can put it on your face. You know what? I don't need it because I got them. I got them. I don't think it's cute, to be honest. Like, I don't think freckles are cute. Just because I got some, like, I got a lot, like right here and right here. But when people in the States think the freckles are cute, it really makes me happy because I have them and I didn't used to like them, but because people think it's cute, I started to embrace them more. But it's just interesting, like people want freckles. You know, I can give you some. Charity. Ooh, I like this. This is so cute. We got some mountains and just a very cute like minimal design. And oh my gosh, I like this one. I have a globe right there. Hold on, let me see. My globe right there. I love the globe and just like things like that really gets my attention. Oh my gosh, this has to be my favorite. Okay, I keep saying this. I just love a lot of their designs. But butterfly, oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is definitely one of my favorites. Oh my god, this is so cute. The turtle. And I love how like it's just like a minimum like line design. It's so cute. By the end of this video, I will probably have a sleeve. Foodie. Who doesn't love food? Everything is so cute, I'm telling you. Ramen noodles. I know I'm Asian and I know like, you know, Asian and rice. People think Asians love rice, but I don't love rice. I don't hate it. I just don't need rice in my life. But I absolutely do need noodle. Like I love noodles so much. I can eat noodle every single day. Although I use a fork, I don't use chopsticks. It's a little bit tough, okay? You know what I love even more is this tea bag. So cute. It's just so simple and cute. Oh, when I was talking to them, I was like, yeah, I've always wanted to tattoo something small and black. Like I want it black. And they just kind of like make my dream come true, to be honest. So cute. Okay, how many did I do already? I'm so stupid. I have made a mess right here. And some booklet that I opened, I didn't realize. But let's do this again. Storytelling. Boom. Tattoo. Design right here. Boom. Tattoo. Design right here. Boom. Tattoo. Design right here. Like, I've been like doing this and this and that. Pretend that didn't happen. Sushi. I love sushi. This is cute. Some color. I don't mind if it's temporary. Tropical vibes. Okay. I think I was too close to camera. I just got too excited, but I think I should back up a little. This is cute. Ooh, this is a nice design. Aloha, of course. Such a cute handwriting. Next, we have a very minimal wave. Love that. And sun. Cute. This looks like sunset at the beach. Back to basics. Okay. Ooh. As a little girl, I loved hearts. And when I was little, I would just keep drawing hearts. I just loved the shape, love the meaning of it, and just, I love. Ooh, this is cute. Very minimal. This is what I love about these tattoos, is that it's very simple, minimal, and that's what I love when it comes to tattoos. Fire. This is cute. I like the handwriting. Shiny moon. Cute. Visco. What does this mean? In Taiwan, this means like, give me a call. What does this mean right here in the States or in France? I don't want to accidentally throw a yen sign somewhere, so. This is scrunchy, I think. This is Polaroid. This is cute. I like this. And flask. Good vibes. Yes. I like this one. The last one, best friend. That's cute. Oh, one of my favorite YouTubers, she got a tattoo of, I think, a moon, and her best friend got a tattoo of a sun. It's just like this for you and your friend. That's so cute. Okay, it's giving me some ideas for me and my best friends. What? Does this mean something? Yes. Rock and roll. Yay. Is this sign language? Oh, it's just like for greeting. Always, 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 always. This is so cute. I love the handwritings. Enlightening. This is cute too. I have a shirt in my last video, Amazon fashion haul. I have a set that has like a ton of lining on it. I think I should wear that with this tattoo. Okay, so that is all of the tattoos, and I made a mess. I'm definitely gonna do that butterfly. My favorite has to be the floral ones and the charity with the butterflies and bees and turtle. These two are definitely my favorite. I really love all of them besides like maybe two. Maybe the two from the viscos are these two. These two are my least favorite just because I don't get the visco thing. Like, I think maybe I'm too old for that, but other than that, I literally love everything. The designs are so good. Do they fall out or they just didn't have the pieces on them? I'm very confused. I gotta go back to watch the footage. Didn't make a mess. None of them fell out. I'm so sad. That booklet doesn't have any tattoos? Oh no, I think they just forgot to put them in. This booklet doesn't have any tattoos. So I checked the footage, and when I was first showing the charity one, it didn't have the tattoo. So I didn't lose them. I just didn't notice. It's so sad. This is like one of my favorite. Like, I was so excited to put on the bee and the butterfly and the turtle. That's okay. At least we have the floral one still. This rose one. Where should I put it? Where does she put it? She put it here, but I have fur here. I need some inspiration. See, I can't make up my mind. I think I'm gonna put it right here. Actually, I'm gonna start off with this one. It's really small, so, you know, just to try it first, because I really love this rose and I don't want to mess it up. Let me see the direction real quick. Prepare your skin. I got my skin ready. Okay, I'm sorry. I don't know why that's so funny to me. Such a soft sponge. I just want to make sure, because I haven't played around with this for a decade. Put it right here. For 45 seconds. Hey Siri, can you set a timer for 45 seconds?
Your timer is set for 45 seconds.
Yes! We're done. We're done. Wow. It's on. That's so cool. Like, the last time I did this, it's literally more than 10 years ago. Like, I do not have memory of doing this. Oh wait, no, just kidding. I went to Color Run and I did that. Okay. 2018, I went to Color Run with my friends. I didn't do it by myself. Like did it for me. Oh my gosh, that makes me really want a tattoo now. I was so excited for this one. Let me go think real quick where I should put it. I know where I want to put it. I don't know if it's the best place, but I want to be able to see it. So I'm gonna put it right here. If I walk like this, right here. Hey Siri. This is definitely my favorite one. Apply some pressure. Oh my god. Like, I really want this one to be real. Maybe not over here, but somewhere else. But I really want this one to be real. Like, I want to put this one over here. Aloha should be next. I think the words around this area, it's really pretty. I love the idea of it. I love to see it in photos and stuff like that, but I would not want it like 24/7. So this is perfect for temporary tattoo. This is so pretty. I love it. Really want to go get a tattoo right now. I've always wanted one here. Wow, this looks so good. Hello? And people will see your tattoo. Oh my god, this is such a perfect place. Super cute. I'm really loving the tattoos. I have too many right now. Like, I can keep doing them, but I don't want a sleeve. Finally, we got some color. For the color ones, I think it's cute for temporary tattoo, but I definitely don't want a permanent tattoo. Just not my preference. I am officially a tattoo girl right now. Right here too. I've been thinking to put a little seahorse because I really love seahorse. It's my spirit animal. I just really love it. So maybe I will design a seahorse and put it on this spot, or maybe here. Something I want to put here. Oh, by the way, you know what I just think of? I think it would be very cool if Bee Billy would let the customers design their own. So for example, like maybe given this size, not something crazy or big or with color, but just like black lines. I think it will be so cool if we can design and send it out to Bee Billy. They can print it out for us and we can just wear our own designs. Wouldn't that be cool? I don't know how hard it is to make that happen. Like, I don't know the process of printing these, or you need a stencil or something like that. I don't know. But I think that would be such a cool idea to wear your own design. So Bee Billy, if you're watching this would be such a cool idea for you guys to think about, and I will be supporting it 100%. I do have a discount code for you guys. It's my name, Cheryl Goer, 15 for 15% off. I will put their website link in my description box down below, so be sure to check that out if you're interested. So yeah, that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I had so much fun filming this and play around, experimenting. You know, same old, same old. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Bye!